Design and Source is brand new marketplace at CES 2018. This is where companies go from concept to market through sourcing, design, and manufacturing. The brand new Design and Source marketplace in South Plaza boasts more than 800 exhibitors and more than 110,000 net square feet. Design and Source Marketplace, presented by Alibaba, also features top brands like Core 77, Design Partners, and Suning. Come check out the top consumer tech designers, manufacturers, and retail leaders as they reveal the latest innovations in the product manufacturing ecosystem.
Alibaba.com is an online global B2B trading platform to connect buyers and suppliers. And we also have the VR systems. You can see the suppliers, the factories, the products online very easily.
Well, CES is the place to bring in sources and designers and then put them together and then to give them exposures. So that's why Suning has been supporting the sourcer and designer marketplace as a bridge between consumers and manufacturers.
Design Partners is a product and interaction design agency, so we grow brands by designing exceptional products and experiences. We meet new clients here, so we decided this year, let's have a presence that's bigger, let's have a booth, let's get involved, and it's fantastic.
We're a publishing business. Our clients tend to have a lot of engineering and a lot of technology, and our audience are a lot of designers.
Our product is a cleaning robot for Windows. People said it's the Roomba of the Windows version.
AOET is bringing 4 cameras around the car. The cool thing is it can fit on all kinds of cars, so it can help you to have the new driving experience and avoid all kind of blind spot.